Welcome to Smacky's Garage. Today we're going to be talking about how to change the belt on a snowmobile. Changing the belt on a snowmobile is something essential that everyone should know how to do. If you're lucky, you probably haven't had to change the belt on your snowmobile yet. The belt is essentially what drives the track from the engine and from the clutch. Without the belt, you're not going to be moving. On the trail, there could be some occasions where the belt gets worn, or maybe the belt just decides to destroy itself for some unknown reason. If you haven't tried changing a belt yet, it's something you should do before the season has started. So it's always good to get practice on how to do it. Most, if not all, sleds will have the tools with it to change the belt when you need to do it on the side of the trail. For SkiDoos, they're actually located right here, and you can pull this pack out. Within it is going to be a tool that looks like this. This is the tool that you're going to be using to remove your belt. So on this piece here, you're going to be able to see that there's a hole, which is what you can use to screw this in to remove the belt. So what you do is you take this, you start twisting it in. And as you twist it in, it pushes these apart and separates them. So you can see as these are separating, the track is falling deeper in, it's falling out down here. So it's becoming more loose. A little trick on the SkiDoos is when we do this, it's actually easier if you remove this toolkit to get the belt out. So you can see how easy that was now that this is screwed in to remove the belt. So let's go ahead and put it back on. All right, now that the belt's back on, all you have to do is loosen this back up, but you're not finished yet. So as you loosen this back up, you can see that this does get stuck in it. We want to make it so that it's in a better location. We want to have it so that it stays kind of flush with where it was before. All right, so then you just work it around and you try to get the belt back up to the position all the way up at the top of where it was, just to the same position. And after you've worked it back up, you're all set to go again. You can put everything back together.